welcome to our channel. You are watching Aroma Dish. Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do an interesting and also a simple dish, which is salmon fish with lemon sauce. And these are the ingredients that we need. After cleaning the salmon fish, we need to add some pepper and salt on both sides. Secondly, we need to add 2 tablespoons of butter in any brand and let it melt. After the butter melted, we need to add our salmon fish. After that, we need to fry our salmon fish on both sides. And add some lemon juice to it. Later, we need to add grinded lemon skin for a better taste. And we also need to add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Lastly, we need to place our salmon in one plate and also add some parsley leaf on top of it. Lastly, we need to pour the remaining butter and lemon juice to our salmon fish. This is the outcome of our dish today, and also we can decorate with garnishing slice of lemon.